ever fucking play with me. Y'all niggas know, y'all bitches know I'm the fucking queen. You hoe bitches know, you dirty bum bitches know.
They wanna run down on me when they see me, them niggas is mad at me. So I walk around with it cause they plotting and I keep that bag on me. I was a clown to them hating niggas, yeah, they used to laugh at me. Nah.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So basically we're gonna get into this look, this beautiful green look with some chunky glitter. I'm going to be giving you a chit chat about love and why I feel like love is not blind. Love is very clear as day and you get all the signs. Like what? So what I want to focus on today is love really blind, or do we just ignore the signs? That's the question. So I'm using Esha Rose Aroma Therapy oil. So I'm gonna start with my eyes and whatever, we're gonna get into this look. I'm still trying to decide what look I'm doing. Using my NYX concealer in white, and I'm going to put that on my lids. So let me know down in the comments if you think love is blind, like you kind of get blindsided by something, or let me know if there are clear signs that someone is with you or they not. They love you or they don't. So I'm using my Morphe M173 brush to blend out this concealer. So to be honest, in my opinion, I feel like love is not blind. The signs are clear as day and we choose to ignore it. I know many people can relate to this in so many different ways. Like, it doesn't have to be exactly like my story, but many people can relate to my story. So I'm using my NYX Off Tropic palette, and I'm going to use the dark green. I'm going to use the dark green in the palette to put in my crease. Okay, so back in 2009, I met a guy. He was very charming, very sweet. Long story short, he got my number. We was dating for a little bit, and not too long after that, we had a child. So I was with this guy, and all the signs were there, but I did not pay attention to them because I was young, I was naive. That's not really an excuse, but at the same time, I believe that you have to learn through life experiences. So that life experience taught me a lot. The first time was when I went to pick him up from work and he had a whole hickey on his neck. Like, he was light skinned, so to hide that will be pretty hard. He did security, so he had on a collar shirt or whatever, so it covered the hickey. But when he tried to scratch his neck, I saw that hickey quick fast. Like, you could not hide that. And that shit got me heated. So we waited for the train, and I asked him, like, what's that on your neck? And he like, what you talking about? And I'm like, that right there, like, it's right there. I know you know it's there. So he acting like he don't know what I'm talking about. He does take out his phone. Like, this is the creepy part. He takes out his phone and looking, checking. And he like, I don't see nothing. I'm like, boy, you see that. So I'm pointing to it like that right there. So he tried to play it off like, oh, that's a spider bite. Like, who you fooling, boy? That's not no spider bite. Ain't no spider bit you. Spiders do not leave no mark like that big enough where it look like you got your blood sucked by a leech. Like, let's be real. That would have been a better response. Like, I got bit by a leech. At least say something like that. Like, that was just a stupid ass lie. I'm using my Amazon palette. I'm about to get me a new one. And I'm using the green in here. Where is it? I'm using the green right here. And I'm going to blend out that darker shade of green. He over here capping talking about his spider bite, and I'm not stupid. I know it's not no spider bite. So we get to his house. I don't know why my dumb ass went to his house. Like, I should have just went home and be like, yeah, it's clipped for you. But I went to his house and I was mad. I was just annoyed. Like, how you gonna lie to me like that? Like, it's clear as day that that's not no damn spider bite. The second sign was when he was at the bus stop with a girl. And I seen him there, and I was just like, oh, what you doing? Like, what's going on? And he was like, you acting crazy, this and that. And I'm like, I'm not crazy. Like, at the end of the day, we have signs. We get signs from people stating, don't stay or to stay. I take responsibility for my actions, and I didn't feel this way at one point. At one point, I was very bitter. I was very... like, I was with the shits. I wasn't feeling him. Like, I was very bitter. I was very angry. I blamed a lot of it on him. And then I had to grow up and I had to realize, like, he didn't put a gun to your head. Like, you wasn't forced to be there. And it's not like he was doing things in secret for, like, we were together for 5 years. So it's not like he was doing things in secret for, like, 4 years of it, and then like you endured like a year of like knowing things. Like, I knew things from the beginning. Like, from the time he had the hickey on his neck, I was already pregnant and I didn't even know. Like, I was a couple of weeks pregnant, didn't even know. My hormones was crazy because usually before him, any dude that cheated on me, I'm dipping. I'm not working nothing out. I'm leaving. There's nothing to talk about. I don't know what made me feel so connected where I had to work it out, but I was already pregnant, and it is what it is. Like, I can't go back, so that's just what it is. And I don't regret having children with him. I definitely regret not seeing the signs. Well, I can't even say I didn't see the signs. I definitely regret not paying attention to the signs and making better choices. I can say that. But at the end of the day, I feel like if I didn't make the choices that I made, either being naive or just not paying attention to the signs, I wouldn't have my babies. So at the end of the day, it's just like, thank you. Like, I appreciate you. And as an adult and as a grown-up and healing from that situation, I'm able to be more accepting of, like, this is what it is. And part of me that has grown from that is really pretty much okay with, I'm okay with everything. Like, I'm okay with how everything is. Like, we're not friends, we're not cool, we don't hang out. But we're cordial. If we speak, we speak. If we don't, then we don't. And for any woman out there who is experiencing like bitter emotions, like, you honestly have to let that go. And you have to let it go because at the end of the day, it's not hurting him, it's hurting you. So I definitely believe that love is not blind, because people, they tell you what time it is. Like, so I'm taking my Target palette and I'm going in with this color right here, Free Spirit. I'm trying to say like, oh, men are right for what they do. No, they're not. They're wrong. Like, don't be cheating. If you with somebody, be faithful. Like, there's no point in cheating. But at the same time, it's like, we'll sit here and know the circumstances, get pregnant, not even protect ourselves. Like, I really believe in protecting yourself. This is a blendita. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the crease.
Hi guys, some green glitter.
Alright, so I'm gonna take my Amazon palette and I'm gonna take this shimmery green right here and I'm gonna put it on the lid. I did cut my crease off camera. So I'm using my glitters that I got from Amazon. I'm kind of addicted to using these glitters. But it's the chunky glitter. I'm using green. This is what it looks like. I'm using my NYX primer. And I'm taking a small paintbrush. Put some of the glue on it. And then I'm going to apply it where I want to put it. I don't even know where I want to put it. Where do I put it? I don't know. I'll put it right in the middle. I'm using Luxe Pink lashes. I got the 7 Trade lashes. I love them so much. What do I do first?
What do you do first?
With the glue.
Well, with the glue, what do you do?
Thank you.
What do you do with the glue? It's like, what's your natural brows? Where you put the
Brows?
Yeah.
I'm putting this on my brows. So I'm going to take the glue and I'm going to put it on my lid.
Yeah. And then you take the eyelash and put it through.
You put it on, you stick it right on.
Yeah, stick it like that. But you don't really see your natural one.
Right, because it's blended. Heard it. You are good at this stuff, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm learning. I'm going to be a makeup artist and I can come work with you.
Yes. That'll be amazing.
And
let me know if y'all feeling this look in the comments down below, because this look is looking sexy at this moment. My battery's dying, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'm gonna come back. So I ended up doing my foundation off camera because things got hectic. I had to go to parent teacher conference, so I ended up doing my foundation off camera. I will do an updated foundation routine because I do have one. That was my plan. But I will be bringing an updated foundation routine. Let me know down in the comments down below if you're feeling this look. I'm really feeling this look. I'm loving this look. It's giving me St. Patrick's Day vibes. It's giving me money vibes. It's giving me everything. Like, I'm really feeling this look. So if you're feeling this look, let me know down in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. My channel is growing. I really appreciate everybody who's been subscribing, everybody who's been commenting, showing me mad love. Like, I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And I'm going to be bringing another video pretty soon. So if you're feeling this video, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling this look. Make sure you click that bell so you can get post notified every time I upload a video. And I'm going to check you guys in my next video. Peace.